Hello guys, and this is my unboxing and review of the TRIBIT XSOUND Go. Let's open the box and see what's inside. At the top we have the speaker unit. Let's put it to one side. It's kinda hefty. Underneath that we have our micro USB cable. It's about 2 foot long. As you can see, micro USB, not type C, so that's a bummer. Then we have our user manual, which nobody really reads, so let's put that to the side. Next we have our UNICEF card. So you support UNICEF when you buy this speaker, so make sure you purchase this. Then we have our warranty card. It's kind of hard to get up. Yeah, as you can see, 30 days, 18 months, and a lifetime warranty. And thank you for your purchase. That's it. That's all that's inside of the box. So just put it aside and take a look at the speaker itself. As you can see, the speaker is black in color and has this metal grill to the front. It has this shiny material on top of it. That's our power, Bluetooth pairing, pause and play, volume down and volume up. In front we have two 6-foot drivers and a passive bass radiator underneath the TRIBIT logo. Underneath we have 4 rubber feet that helps for it not to wobble too much on the table at high volume. Behind we have a big flap. This flap is so hard to open. Underneath the flap though, we have our 3.5mm audio port and a charging port. The speaker is IP67 rated, meaning that you can submerge it in water and it won't get any damage. Let's pair it up with our device and play some tunes. It's very easy to pair though. All you have to do is tap it one time to turn it on. You will see it pop up. You just click and it's connected. It's simple as that. It's paired, it's connected. Bear it with me, trying to get some non-copyright music. Yeah, can't handle copyright claim. That was what's inside of the box. As you can see the speaker. It's a very nice speaker. I like the build of it. TRIBIT really did a number on this speaker. And you can see it has a carrying string. Yeah, so you can carry it on your back or on your wrist. Very nice. The battery life of this speaker is 24 hours, so you can play it all day. And the charging time is 4 hours. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge. Let's turn it up. And thanks for watching. This is Vienna Tech. Please remember to subscribe, like, share this video for more. Peace.